web services, RESTful web services mostly, so the idea of exposing data in a way that you can interact with it with HTTP as an application protocol. And I'm always frustrated when I have to sort of download everything and then locally install everything, because the capabilities of XQuery and XSLT, which are the same from my perspective for that particular problem, are so bad at interacting with HTTP. All you can do is you can do document whatever, right? And then you get an XML tree, or you don't. And that's all you get. And you get, right? So you can't put anything, you can't post anything, you can't delete anything, you don't have access to HTTP headers. You have no idea what your local platform does in terms of caching. So all the, I think, very valuable and interesting stuff that you could do if XQuery and XSLT had a little bit more understanding about the fact that they actually might be interested in being more web-like. All these things are not very accessible right now. So what I would like to propose, so to speak, and what I would be very interested in to look at would be to look at how could you improve XQuery in a way and XSLT at the same time, so that they would be better web citizens, so that you could directly use web-based resources, RESTful web services, for combining things, pushing things to other servers without having to always write little Java wrappers or whatever that take your HTTP info and stuff it into XML and then pass it on to XSLT or something. That's super hard. So I would like to make XQuery more RESTful and make sure that you can write mashups directly in XQuery, right? And I know that, I think Donna, where's Donna now?
Yeah, I'm here, I'm here.
Right?
Yeah.
So you did some work with XQuery in the browser, right? There was some, like a while ago, I did see a paper where I think your name was mentioned.
Yeah.
So there was some work in looking at, like, how could you use XQuery as a client-side technology? And I think that is actually very interesting, right? It's sort of a different focus that most people might have about XQuery, but I think it actually could be very interesting to also look at XQuery as a sort of a client-side or intermediate when you look at mesh-ups or building mesh-ups and then republishing stuff, right? So what would you do if you could do that? What would you need to do? And so the reason I'm here is that I would like to propose that XQuery needs a little help and a little love in that area. And if anybody's interested in looking at this and figuring out how could we build a better XQuery that would be a better web citizen and would be a more useful tool to use on the web and not so much as a back-end querying language, please get in touch with me. Okay? That was it.
Thank you.
Thank you.